Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today we have been working on this brand new Nissan. You'll note that there's no registration number, and that is because this vehicle is literally straight out the factory. However, didn't quite come with the spec that our client wanted, so we've done this on behalf of the main dealership local to us, Nissan in Cambridge. We've carried out the work of heated seats on the vehicle. So you won't believe it, but yes, the car didn't come with heated seats. So what we've done is taken the car in to our 11,000 square foot facility here in Cambridge. We've actually stripped down the seats. We then added in the carbon pad on the back and the base of the seat, providing great coverage for that heating solution. Then we've mounted the switch on the side of the seat, which is really easy to access. You've got a low setting, a high setting, and an off setting. Again, really easy to control, but the really cool thing about it is that is all that is visible. The actual heated seat elements are all laid in underneath the original upholstery. You really can't tell that it's there at all, and you've got that little switch to control it. So if you're interested in having heated seats added onto your vehicle, please feel free to head over to our website, submit an inquiry. We've got all your vehicle details then with your registration number submitted. We'll ping you back a quote, and we have some offers normally on heated seats as well, depending on time of year and what's going on in the business. So feel free to head over to our website. You'll see latest deals on there, as well as the fact you can submit an online inquiry form. We'll come back to you with a fitted quote. Also remember, guys, we can also retrofit rear heated seats as well. So if you're interested in having the full combination of front and rear done, or just rears or just fronts, feel free to reach out. My team will come back to you with a full estimated quote and go through exactly all the details in how you guys can get booked in with our team. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's little upgrade on the Nissan Qashqai and the heated seat installs that we've done. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.